Hey lovelies, thank you for tuning back into my channel. So in this video I'll be showing you how I sewed this A-line flare top. In the last video I showed you how I cut it, just a quick recap from that. And the items that we'll be needing for this video is the bias binding. I used the bias binding on the armhole area for the front piece and the back piece as well. Went ahead and did the same thing for the back piece as well. Don't forget, we're using the bias binding just in the armhole area on the top for both the front piece and the back piece. And once you're done sewing that all the way through for the front and the back piece, I went ahead and folded that on top of the fabric and did a top stitch, as we see in this part. So for the neckline area, I went in with 1/4 of an inch. It was pretty tiny, but that was exactly what I wanted because I wasn't using the bias binding for the neckline for both the front piece and the back piece. So we're pretty much just top stitching by 1/4 of an inch. And this is what it looks like once we're done top stitching the front piece, and we did the same thing at the back. This is both front and back. The V-shaped neckline is for the back piece. You can decide to wear it to the front or the back. Sewing the shoulders together by 1/2 inch. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side as well. Both sides of the fabric, right sides facing each other. If you're working with fabrics like this where it's hard for you to tell the right side from the back side, you want to go in on the back of the fabric with a chalk so that way you know what you're working on. So right sides facing each other, I go ahead and sew the seams on both sides. And once we're done sewing the seams on both sides, we're gonna go in at the M line and take that in by 1/2 inch. And once we're done with this part, we're going to go ahead and give it a good press. And here we have the finished look. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I'll see you in the next one.